Ejua bunanzi, ejunyi, bunanzi nani, ejunyi, bunanzi zona, ejunyi, bunanzi zona.
What's good, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Liga, and welcome to the vlog. If you're new to this channel, please consider to subscribe, share, and like this video. And if you're a channel subscriber, thank you so much for standing with the journey with me on the building village house project. But yeah, please like this video and comment, and obviously share it with your friends. Yeah, guys, on today's vlog, I want to showcase to you, maybe break it down to you, the total cost of the first floor slab. I want to showcase obviously the labor amount, the amount that I spend on the labor, and obviously the material which was bought for the first floor slab, and obviously all the expenses for the first floor slab. I just want to showcase to you guys and see. You let me know if I overspend, if I spend accordingly, or if I spend less. Just comment down below if you think that maybe I overspend, if you think I spent less, or if you think maybe I spend it accordingly. It was normal spend. But yeah, guys, please stay tuned, and obviously hope you enjoy this video. I know I got a lot of requests of people requesting how much is the total breakdown and stuff like that, but obviously, like I mentioned, I'm gonna do it in phase by phase or chapter by chapter, where I maybe do the found, like I did with my first video for the which was the foundation. Obviously I went to the ground floor wall, and obviously now I'm doing the slab, and then next video I'll be doing the the first floor wall build, and then the roof, and then the plastering, and just like that. I'll just keep it in phase. I won't do one video or overall video. I will do that overall video maybe at the end, but for now I'm just doing this phase by phase. Cheers, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna start with the material. First thing obviously which I did was to purchase the block and beams materials, and obviously the installation. So the total cost for that was 85,000 rand for the beams and obviously the blocks. I can't remember how much of the beam or the lintel, the total number of those. I think it was about 80 or 90, and obviously the number of bricks, I think it was or the number of blocks, I think it was around 1.5 or 1.7, almost 2,000 bricks or 2,000 blocks. So yeah, that was the total. Obviously the amount which was charged, it was 85,000, but yeah, which was including the installation as well. So you buy the lintel, obviously the blocks as well, and then obviously they come and install it for you, and then after that obviously gonna pour on the concrete on top of the loose lintel. Or yeah, so that was the total cost for me, was 85 grand. On material, we got about 190 bags of cement with the Lafarge cement. At the time when I bought this cement, it was one cement was 108, and then the total amount goes to 20,520. So yeah, that was the total of the amount spent on the cement. But yeah, so I think I did add more, but I can't recall. I think I did add more cements. Okay, and then moving on to the concrete. On concrete, I bought about 2 loads of concrete. 2 loads of concrete. Obviously, each was 4,000 rand per truck. As you can see, the truck is not that full. It's yeah, I don't know how many scoops they use, but it's not that full. So I bought 2 loads of concrete. But obviously, there was a half which was left to only with building the ground floor foundation. So there was a half of the concrete which was still which was left behind. So yeah, they just included it with this one. But yeah, so the total obviously went to 8,000 because since two load, which is was concrete is one of the major requirements as well when you're installing the slab. So yeah, so two load of that, and which was the total was 8,000 rand. Okay, when it comes to riversand, I purchased about 4 loads of riversand, which each load was about, I think it was around 800 rand. So obviously the total amount of the for 4 loads, it was 3,200 rand. So yeah, so there's 4 loads of riversand. Obviously one of the major requirements when building the slab. So you also need to include obviously riversand when you're installing or pouring the concrete on top of the beams and blocks slab. But yeah, so it was the total cost 3,200 rand. Yes, and then another requirement, one of the major requirements as well, was the mesh wire. The mesh wire, I bought about 16 of them with the Y8 or 8 millimeter, and then obviously the each was 1,116, which the total cost was 17,856. And obviously there was some steel bar which I had to buy aside, obviously for some other space which was supposed to be accommodated as well, which was about 30 Y6 steel bar, which is the total of 810. Yeah, and obviously it was a mission to get this Y8 mesh wire, because it's around my area they don't sell the Y8, they only just sell the Y6 mesh wire. So I had to go to Los Treshat to buy this. So you have to drive around maybe about 60k in and 60k coming back. Yeah, I might be mistaken about this, but yeah, but that's almost the same distance. Yeah, so for the electrical stuff, obviously I'm gonna start with the pipe, the PVC conduit. That pipe was about 100, and each was, I think, 120 rand each, and the total cost was obviously 2,000 rand. And obviously some electrical stuff like your plugs, not plugs, but whatever where the plugs sitting at, they call it by a lot of names. And obviously, yeah, so the total cost there was about 2,720. Yeah, and then moving on to delivery and water. On delivery, for the cement, the mesh wire, I think some of the electrical stuff, I think it goes to the total, I think 1,440, and then water was 1.5. Yeah, when it comes to labor cost, obviously the labor cost spend for installing the first floor slab, I spent about 24 grand. So after the beams and block, after the installation, obviously the beams and blocks, the mesh wire, and obviously the electrical pipes, they need to pour in the concrete to make it a slab. So that amount was about 24,000 rand. Obviously the contractor charged me 24 grand, and obviously just was to pour the concrete on top of the beams and blocks to make it a slab. Yeah, so that amount was 24,000 rand. Yeah, so there was a lot of work, especially coming from them. But yeah, that was the amount. And then the labor for electrical pipe installation, only for the electrical pipe installation, was 8,000 rand. So the guy coming in on site, drilling the walls, installing the pipes, and obviously on the beams and block, installing those, I think I forgot the names, the thing that they put on the pipes, and obviously the thing that they put on the beams and slab. That's what. Yeah, that's the total cost was 8,000 rand. The guy charged me 8,000 rand for that labor. So on this slide, I'm just gonna show you the total cost of the first floor slab. All of I listed down the description, obviously the prices. So yeah, if if you can pause if you wanna, if this video is too much, it's too quick for you to see, but you can just pause it and view it. So yeah guys, we have reached the end of this video. As you can see, the slab is completed, and obviously you saw the total cost of the slab install. Yeah, and obviously, yeah, the video is this is the end of the video. And obviously, let me know guys, comment down below if you think I overspent, if you think I spend it accordingly, and if you think I less spend on this project of the first floor slab install. But yeah, let me know guys. Yeah, but this is the end of the video. Thank you if you watched it up until this end. Thank you so much guys, and obviously please consider to subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. Thank you so much guys. Cheers.